Ayo boss, and welcome back to our Halloween special. Tonight, as tradition states, we're going to be sharing with you a great appetizer, something to bring to a nice Halloween party, or if you're hosting, make this up. These are sweet and spicy meatballs, extremely simple to make, so turn those lights down low and let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your oven to 400 degrees. And next, Chef actually likes to just pre-buy his meatballs. They're already made up and cooked. That's right, Chef. No sponsorships. But he said it's a great trick, saves a lot of time. You can make them if you like. If you buy your meatballs, place them right on your tinfoil placed pan in the oven, 20 to 25 minutes at 400. While those are cooking, get a nice pot on the stove on high heat, and you're going to add some brown sugar and some ketchup, and all the ingredients will be listed down below as well as our blog. Some red wine vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of ground ginger. Very carefully start to mix these ingredients as the heat kind of breaks everything down. After a little while, you can switch over to a whisk and then finely tune. You're going to bring this up to a boil. Once it's boiling, you can do such things as remove the lid if you put the lid on to help. Bring your heat down to about low and let this simmer. It's going to thicken up into a glaze. Next, Chef says remove your meatballs after they've been, in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. Chef, we need to get you some new gloves there. Maybe we can get a donation going. And Chef said don't worry about the mini pizzas. So the meatballs were all set. They just had to get warmed up because they were pre-cooked. Next, just place these in a large bowl and prepare to glaze and mix. So just go ahead and very lightly pour some of that nice glaze right over top, and feel free to save some for like afterwards. You can kind of drizzle some on when you're done set up. Very lightly, just mix these all around, coating all the meatballs. And then just take out a dish that you think you have fun with, a nice fun Halloween dish or something like this. Plate these right up. You can have a toothpick or some forks. Once they're done plating, you can drizzle a little sauce on top. And there you have it, sweet and spicy meatballs. Extremely simple. Chef recommends you just go ahead and buy pre-packaged meatballs that are already cooked. Very simple, saves a lot of time. But we think this will be a hit, and we do hope you try it out for your Halloween festivities. From all of us at the Cooking Corner, have a very fun, safe, and spooky Halloween. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.